You ever heard a bird so cute it makes your brain go beep from joy? And number 3, the budgie. This little feather bean sounds like a squeaky toy had a sugar rush and became a DJ. Number 2, the canary. Bro sings like he's auditioning for The Voice, Bird Edition. One minute it's calm. Next minute he's doing high notes like Beyonce. And at number 1, the cockatiel. This dude doesn't chirp, he serenades. Whistles, mimics, flirts with the air. He's basically a fluffy Casanova. Now smash that sub button before one of these birds starts beatboxing.